Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering unknown hard error message, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first solution is to restart the computer in the clean boot configuration. This is because a third-party service may be causing a conflict with the system. So for that we'll go to system configuration and then click on the services tab, and we will make sure that we check this box, hide all Microsoft services, and then we will disable the third-party services like Adobe. These third-party services are not needed for the operation of the basic operation of the system. So once we have done it, we have highlighted, we will click on disable all, we'll click on apply, okay, and then we'll click on restart. But if you still see the error after restart, then we can run the SFC scan, which should fix the error. So we will look for command prompt in the search tab, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then we will enter the command sfc space scannow and press enter. Then we will restart the computer again by going to the start button, clicking the power button, and then clicking restart, and this error message should no longer be seen. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.